welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you a way to rank on Google with your print-on-demand product that you have never thought of in your entire life. Okay, I promise you that. So first of all, let's get onto my Redbubble just to get a product so that I can show you how this works. You're going to need a picture of the product. My computer's being a bit slow today, guys. I'm sorry about that. So we'll just go with, this, whatever. I always forget whether it's promote products or promote artwork. I think it's promote products is the one that I want. We're just going to grab the pictures of a product. So this is my Reddit account. You can see that I mainly just post my videos on things like Shopify. The Shopify videos go down really well on r/Shopify, and I have a really good way of promoting my Shopify videos. I would love to make a video on it, but people will just steal my idea. So I don't know if it's Redbubble that's being slow or if it's my internet. It seems like it's Redbubble though. If I go on Google, yeah, Redbubble is having a problem today. I don't know what the hell's going on. Looking at this now, I think this might be a React app, which is pretty interesting. There we go, finally. Okay, let's just say that we're doing a magnet because, yeah, Redbubble is having some serious problems today. I don't know what the hell's going on. My internet's not being the best, but wow, Redbubble is not doing well. So let's download images. This is awesome. Oh, I didn't see this mouse pad. That's really bad. Okay, we'll just grab this image here. Okay. I should really be doing the apron because this has the highest search, but whatever. So we're going to be using Reddit. I talked about this in the last video, but I didn't really explain it, and I think it does need a bit of explanation. So once you have a Reddit account, you just click on profile here. And I have some karma, and my Reddit account is really old. One thing you can't really do very easily, you can see here on this, for example, this Shopify post, it's quite hard to post things. You get banned a lot if you've got an external link, etc, etc. The chances of you posting something that will which contains like your product on a relevant Reddit and the post not being deleted is like next to none. Okay, so there are two things we can do here. The first one, really easy, doesn't require a lot of effort at all. You just click on new post on your profile here, and now you can add whatever you want because this is us, this is our product, right? I shouldn't have deleted that. Okay, so there are a couple of ways you can do this. I don't actually know what the best way to do it is. I guess the best way would be to have a post. So you just imagine this is your Redbubble. So it would be better if it was actually the, what's it called? The apron. But I just picked the magnet just because I couldn't be bothered waiting. So just, this is things that you have to work out on your own, guys, honestly. So yeah, you can add an image on this post, which is perfect. So we'll just include this image here. And then you can SEO the crap out of this. And you can also get the product link. It's gonna take ages. I'm not gonna get the product link right now, guys, because Redbubble is, okay, maybe I can just grab it real quick. Yes. No. Copy link. Yes. You have to do it twice on Redbubble anyway for some reason. So let's do it again. And then you can just write a load of stuff here. You can really SEO the crap out of this, guys. Like honestly, you could just go to you can go to like the source of the meme, for example, and then go on this here. knowyourmeme.com, and then you can literally just change this text up a little bit, and you can try and rank. This will probably work, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this will probably work. If you take all of this information, rewrite the information, make a post like this, and just include your product in it, like this, with a link. So you wanna click on your product, and maybe Control K, doesn't work. Can you link into a product? It doesn't look like you can link into a product, so just include the buy this. No, don't put buy this product. You know what I mean, guys. Actually, buy this product today. It doesn't really matter because we're not posting on a public Reddit or subreddit, I should say. We're just using the comment section of Reddit on our own profile to create a page on Reddit this may seem pointless to you, but Reddit has one of the best SEOs in the game. The SEO power of Reddit is absolutely insane. And you can also do this on Medium, for example, guys. So if you just do this across the internet, the likelihood of you ranking for keywords is insane. Okay, I'm telling you right now, it's insane. The power of methods like this is absolutely crazy. The other thing you can do is you can actually just make your own subreddit. So I do have my own subreddit. Let me just go on my profile. I did this a long time ago to try, I was gonna do like a whole Italian recipe affiliate website, but then I made my YouTube instead and got kind of distracted with my YouTube. But there was an idea to make an affiliate, well, I made the affiliate website, but I never went through with it. It says here that I have a subreddit, but you can just add your own subreddit. So let's just Google add my own subreddit. Log in, create community. Create a community. Okay, perfect. So you just click on your profile, click create community, do the same thing. So funny t-shirts. I don't know. Public, obviously. Oh, r/funny t-shirts. Lol. Okay, so now we have our own subreddit and we can literally just do the same thing. Okay, you can just create a post on a subreddit that will rank. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful method, guys. It's mixing everything, mixing social media. You could even try it and grow your own subreddit by posting funny memes, etc., etc., and then occasionally, or however often, putting your products in there as well. I don't know. I don't really know how to grow a subreddit, but the power of this is really, really strong. Okay, so again, I just wanna grill. And then you just write a load of text, include the image, include the link again. This is not only a backlink, it's also, it will also rank itself. Okay, so Reddit does rank very, I can't understate this or overstate this enough. Reddit ranks really well on Google. That's the beauty of this method, okay? We're creating content on a website that has one of the best, if not the best, no, it's not the best, one of the best backlink profiles, one of the best standings. People will click it and they won't even realize that it's a marketing effort by you, basically. I think that's really, really good. I honestly believe that will pull in some sales. And the best thing about this kind of method is you're using Reddit as an SEO tool, like an SEO power boost, but you're not annoying people by posting on subreddits and trying to sneakily include a link as an SEO to get backlink, or like I do for my job sometimes, or whatever it might be. You're not really hurting anyone because this is your own personal subreddit and all you're doing is trying to make this rank on Google. Let me just quickly check one thing, because you might have to change the method a little bit depending on what happens when I press post. I want to inspect this and I want to see if there is a no index tag, because if there's a no index tag, then we will have to, there is an additional step to make sure that this works. So no index. Doesn't look like it. No. Oh my god. So now I've just created a post on one of the strongest SEO websites in the world for free, which if you get creative with this, guys, let me tell you right now, you can definitely make some good things happen. Could you make a new subreddit for every design? Probably. Could you make a new subreddit for every niche? More probably. That would probably be a better option. So you have 7 Redbubble stores, you make 7 niche subreddits, you post all of this, and it's your subreddit. That's the beautiful thing. You have all the power. Look, mod tools. You can do whatever you want with your subreddits, and I'm sure there's a way to set this up to organically grow within Reddit as well. The more I'm thinking about this, the more I'm getting excited about how this is probably one of the best methods to kind of advertise your Redbubble stores. Reddit has better SEO than Medium, for example, but you could do this on Medium and Reddit. All you'd have to do is change the text a little bit, maybe, I don't know, yeah, changed the text a little bit so that the SEO is different, but yeah, you could basically use the same content on Medium and on Reddit, and I honestly think you could start ranking for things that you wouldn't even think of, basically. So the fact that there is no index tag here is really important, so definitely try this for yourselves, guys. It's so easy. I don't know if you need a certain amount of karma or whatever. I should have made a fresh Reddit account before I did this. My Reddit account is really strong. It has really strong foundations. It's a really old account. It's probably like 15 years old, I think. I think it's about 15 years old. I've even got some coins from comments that people liked in the past. When Dawn first came out for Shopify, I was helping people do customizations for Dawn. That all of the tutorials were out of date now because Dawn just completely changed everything about Shopify. Anyway, getting off topic. Create your own subreddit, guys, or just comment on your own Reddit profile. Let me know what you guys think of this. I think this is potentially a really strong method. I'm definitely hoping that people will dig into this a bit more because the SEO power is completely insane. Why does it say approved? Do I have to press approve here? Oh, okay. Post has been approved. Okay, there we go. Now it is a post on a public forum. Let me just quickly check if this has a no index tag on it, because I think that's an important thing to know. Let's have a look. Pinned by moderators, funny t-shirts lounge. Interesting. Please don't be a no index tag. Come on. This is going to be a big moment. If there's no index tag, we've won the game before it's even started, guys. No index. No. Ah. Doesn't seem to be. Let's open the head. No, I mean, if it's there, it's there. Oh, it seems to be saying that there's something in the head. No? Okay. There's no new index tag, guys. It's fine. There's no. There is no index tag. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this is going to help people. I know that some people are going to really like this method, and some people will understand the power of this method, I'm sure. Get on it, guys. Let's see what happens. Peace out.